pelvic floor exercises in a car wash. 5 reps. On, off, 2, off, 3, off, 4, off, 5, off. Hold it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all the way off. Do it again. Squeeze and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all the way off. 1 big breath in. 1 big breath out. 3 slow ones. On, off, on, off, on, off. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, lift higher. 5, keep breathing. 4, hold it. 3, 2, 1, all the way off. 5 fast ones. On, off, 2, off, 3, off, 4, off, 5, off. And hold. 3, 2, 1, all the way off. One more time. Squeeze and hold. 3, 2, keep breathing. 1, all the way off. All done. Bye.